Hi everyone, it's Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a swipe. It is very much inspired by Cathleen from COZ Creations. She did a swipe the other day, which was a painting that she's making for the raffle at the Floetrol experience, and I really loved the outcome. It looked amazing. She used silver on her as a base color, and the silver really selled up a lot and took over the top part and the bottom part, and only the colors were kind of in the middle with the middle stripe as well. I really loved it. I know that Cathleen talked about this. She might have liked a little more of the colors to show, but I think it was an awesome piece, so awesome that I really want to try to replicate it. Hope that I do you proud, Cathleen. I did change it up a little bit. I'll just go through my colors now. So the base coat is gonna be silver, but it's gonna be a mix of DecoArt Metallics. Yeah, you can't see it. Trust me, it's silver. Oh wait, silver, like that. And then the DecoArt Metallics pewter I decided to mix in, so it's a little more blue silver. I know that Cathleen used silver and another silver, what's it called? Sterling silver, but I decided that I was not gonna copy her that much, so I changed up the base coat, and the colors that I'm using is golden iridescent pearl fine, and then I'm using golden iridescent gold fine, and I'm using golden Quinacridone burnt orange. First time that I'm using that. I'm using golden iridescent copper fine, and then I'm using golden again iridescent silver fine, and golden Paynes gray, but I thought that it was a little too blue, so I actually mixed in some DecoArt Extreme Sheen in the color Obsidian. That is a metallic, as far as I remember. Yeah, the Extreme Sheen. So that I mixed in the Paynes gray. So yeah, as you can see, thin consistency. I think it's a little thicker than Kathleen's consistencies normally, because I'm using a German pouring medium, which is called Malverk. It's as thick, if not thicker, than the European Floetrol. So I had to add a lot more water than I would normally have in order to get this thin consistency. The base coat is the same consistency. It's a delicious color. We're gonna see what that turns out like. So I will also be swiping with a Oxide Black Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol mixed 4:1. Back here is the cell activator. So Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed 4:1. So 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Okay, so let's get started. Put on the base coat first. Oh, I forgot to say that I painted my corners. Actually, this is a test. Actually, I'm gonna try, if this turns out the way that I'm hoping, I'm gonna do it on a much bigger canvas. So I just took a very cheap canvas right now, one that I bought from a friend for practically nothing, and I can see why it was practically nothing, because it's a really crappy canvas, to be honest. It is not gallery wrapped. It is the canvas is not even stuck to the sides. It's really not a good canvas. But we'll just see. It is a test, so. I just cleaned off some of my drippings and now we're ready to swipe. I will put on some music and we'll most likely get back to you at the end of this. Okay. So, cool, I love it, but it seems that it is not level. Well, this is annoying because I really don't want it to move. I would like some of the silver to become more aggressive and come a little further up. But then again, this was what I did first, and now these cells are much bigger than these, so maybe it's just, as always, a question of being patient. I'm very tempted to try to just do a little line here, but I'm afraid that it's gonna mess it all up. I don't know. I don't know if you saw that I actually added a little black of the cell activator as a line for this swipe. It did make a difference, especially here I could see it, and a little over here there's some of the black surrounding the cells. Was that a good call or not? I don't know. I don't know, but I do like it. Can't wait to see how it develops. I'll show you a little later when it develops, and then I'll show you the dried result. I'll be right back. Bye.